Kobe is a representation of beauty and the toughness of Africa Savannah. They deal with the making of ceramic beads and have been upscaling the traditional beading skill of the Maasai women, which is so beautiful. Let's go on this journey and take a tour of Kobe together. Bye. Do you mind showing my camera?
No. The dance and
okay.
Also the pictures and videos. It is allowed.
Okay, thank you.
Soaking the clay in this water for a period of 2 weeks. That's when the clay will have broken down and become fine. And also they help us in the stirring of the clay for the clay to dissolve in the water. Then after the 2 weeks, you're going to sieve the impurities, then now pour the solution in that clothing there. Then now leave it openly just as the way it is to evaporate the excess water through direct sunlight. It will take around 3 to 4 weeks if there is good sunlight like right now. But like during the rainy season when the sunlight is on and off, it can take a month plus for the clay to be ready for the ladies. And then now from here now the ladies will show us.
Okay.
Yes, so this is the making department. After the clay is ready, we give it to these ladies. Then they're going to use a mold. This one is used in measuring the same sizes of clay. And then now from there, they'll take the pieces of clay, roll it in their palms to make different shapes, and use that small needle that she has in her hand in putting holes through in each bead. Then from there, she's going to take all the beads outside. They'll be sun dried for around 2 to 3 hours, and then this is what you get.
Okay. It's so strong.
Yeah, it's tough.
Don't touch it.
Tough.
Yeah. And then now from here now we bake it for the first time in the oven now.
So how do you get this? You have another mold for the shape?
Yeah, we have a mold for the shape.
Okay.
Yeah. But also you get to see some elephants,
Well done. Well done.
She has a small gift for you.
Okay.
Rainbow.
Thank you. So I have to leave this to dry.
It's already dry.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much.
Rainbow means beautiful.
What about elephant?
Pardon?
This elephant.
Yeah, that's a
What does it mean then?
tembo.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Well done. This is so beautiful.
Yeah, and then they beading for us from here. What we do, give them the pieces of leather and the tiny glass beads.
But you did this yourself, right?
Pardon?
You made it yourself.
Not really. The leather we buy it from a local tannery.
Okay.
Yeah. Then we give them just the pieces, the leather, just direct from the tannery and the glass beads. And then the glass beads we buy them. We don't make them here.
Okay.
So she's going to do the different beading. Then from there, it's going to have the stitches at the back. I'm going to show you how we cover up the stitches in the leather department, but before that, this is how complete badge looks like.
It's so nice.
This is a pet collar. So that's a dog or a cat.
Guys, she has been in this business of ceramics since 1976. Can you imagine? Anyways, well done, ma. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Bye. Thank you so much for the gifts. Thank you.
Yes, so this is the leather department. After the ladies have done the different designing and the beading, remember it has the stitches at the back. So they're going to do to the stitches, they're going to cover it with the leather lining, a cow-treated skin. Yeah. Then they're going to glue them together.
This is really nice. Well done. Hi. Good morning. Well done. Can I fill that bag? You made this, right? It's so nice. Well done, sir. Oh, you did this, Frank. They did this too. I've not seen someone make this type of bag. I thought of seeing it in the market.
Yeah.
It's very nice.
It's clean.
Yeah, it's clean. Well done, sir. This is really nice, though. Hey, there's talent in this world, though. Sir, you're talented. Well done. Because I will leave. Hey. Anyways, I have this cute one with me. It's there, though. So you guys are different shapes of the beads. So now it's there, sun drying it after molding it. This one, the one I got, is dried already. This is so nice. Hi. Good morning. Good morning, everybody.
Yes, so this is the glazing department. We obtain the glazing powder from mix it with natural water to have a glaze solution.
Okay.
Then after the glazing, we take the beads for a second firing in the oven. You can look around.
Okay. So they can paint different colors. Okay, this is cute. This is nice.
Beads for 8 hours is 1,000 degrees Celsius.
For 8 hours.
Yeah, at 1,000 degrees Celsius.
Wow.
And then now this is what you get. This is what
After 8 hours, this is what you get.
as this color.
Wow. This is why they are expensive. Look at the process.
And then now we'll check these beads for quality check. Then these ladies will help us in making different products.
Okay.
We have the wall decorations.
Oh,
As
okay.
working on, you'll get to see other samples in the shop.
Oh. So they come up with the designs themselves.
Yeah, they are the designers. Then we have the small animals. We have the
Okay,
dancing.
this is what she was
key holder.
painting there.
Yeah, that was.
These are it comes out.
You don't want this bead.
Yeah, these are. And also we have the cord key holder. We have the elastic bracelet, which is customized. And also we have a customized key
Oh
holder.
yeah, I hear that customized.
And also a customized necklace.
It's nice.
Also,
This is the gift we got. This is the aftermath. If it had actually gone through the whole process. It's so strong. This is really nice. This is so beautiful. You guys are so talented. Bye. That'll be so beautiful. You guys. Wow. We should have not bought things like that in that place because things here are so beautiful. Hey, wait. $40. Hey, wait. If you buy this one for Bean, they don't burn and we make it no back. It's so cute, you guys. The quality of this stuff.
Should we take away
Hey. We see money, we do. Hey, wait. Baby, what's it right there? Is that not $250? $250. That man was making, right? You guys, these people make everything, and they just put us through the process of how they make every single thing. They're available on Amazon. They sell on Amazon and one other one. This one is $35. You guys. Me that was looking for big bag. $250.
But the bags are fucking.
They are nice. The quality is really crazy, but which bag did they buy? What's that? It's so pretty for the beach. Is it unisex?
I mean, it looks like it. I mean, anybody.
I already bought like, okay, I don't have a beach bag, but I already have a big bag.
No, we just cross bag I took now for the beach.
Guys, look at this decorative piece. Well, go closer and look at the price. Oh my goodness. Well, it is very thick. The quality is crazy. Yes.
She buy collar and necklace. So we're going to buy two for ourselves, like twinning.
Oh, okay, you want to twin with me?
Yeah, pick
Oh,
one.
that's
Collar,
cute.
pick
Say
one.
yeah.
Pick
Aww.
one.
Total one for $3. Nigerian money. How much is that?
No calculation.
I'm not calculating. I just want to know it.
I don't know. I'm not sure. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I bet my phone will follow.
Thank you.
It's a bit tough. So beads, molding, beading, glazing, leathering, and this is a workshop.